and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, I already did a video about the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I already did a full review on that. If you haven't checked that out, definitely do so. Because this is after it. You guys know there is a new concealer, the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, that a lot of people wanted to test out, a lot of people raved about. And then you got your famous Tarte Shape Concealer that people say it's dupes. So we're gonna test it out and see, is it a dupe? Because you guys know I'm one of those people that are always looking to save money and spend money on cheaper makeup. Tell you guys, one, this product is amazing. You guys definitely go check out my review if you haven't already. Two, this product is amazing too. I already have the concealer on the side of this one already, but I just filmed the video, so I'm just gonna put this one on this one after I do the swatches. So these are both very full coverage concealer. They're both thick, and they both last all day. So I'm in the shade, on this one, I'm in the shade Light Peach. And this one, I'm in the shade Fair Neutral. So also remember, this is a tiny sample that I got from Ipsy. So we're just gonna swatch them all. And here are the swatches of both concealer. This is the e.l.f. one, the more thicker one is the e.l.f. and the smaller one is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Okay, so my first impression is that the e.l.f. one is definitely much thicker already. The Tarte one is definitely less thicker, but it's definitely is full coverage. We're just gonna blend it in a little with the brush. And this blends. Okay. So the Tarte one is definitely easier to blend, if you guys can see. Okay, so the Tarte one is this one. Definitely was easier to blend. This one is the e.l.f. one. It definitely takes a while to blend, as you saw in the previous video. It took a while to blend, but definitely they're both about the same shade. So if you are, here it is, all blended together. You can't really tell which one is which because they're both pretty similar. But the bottom one over here is the Tarte one, and the top one is the e.l.f. They both blended pretty well. Just the e.l.f. one did take a little more while to blend. It's still not as full as I want it, so you do have to take a while to blend it out. But the Tarte one definitely blends out really well. Is it a dupe? I say it is because the colors are very similar. If you really were to really look at it, from my point of view right here, you could really see it much clearer, and that they're blended so well. They are a little, their thickness is a little different. The applicator, you guys will see the applicator. Alright, so these are the two applicators for both of them. This is the e.l.f., this is the Tarte, remember, this is the sample size. The applicators are very similar. This one is a little more thicker, and I think it's about the same in even the big side, the applicator. But even though you still get both amount the same, the applicators are so similar. It's incredible. And we're just gonna put it on our eyes just to see. Definitely you need more when you use the Tarte, but we're just gonna blend it in. Blended. This is the e.l.f., this is the Tarte. They're so similar. It's hardly, you can hardly tell the difference between both. They're just, it's a dupe. It's really a dupe. If so, this is my conclusion. This is a dupe. This is a highly dupe. It does have a little bit more thickness. It does take a little more while to blend, but it is a dupe because I am not willing to spend $27 on Tarte. You can probably get the smaller ones now, but I'd rather save my money and buy 5 of these than one of these for $27. If you see where I'm going. So this is the e.l.f., this is $5, this is the Tarte, this is $27. I will leave both links of both products so you can get a better idea on the difference of the two. I know I didn't really go through that, but I did show you guys the coverage on my hand and on my eyes and how they look. So yeah, so this is definitely a dupe. I definitely recommend the e.l.f. one. It is $5 at the drugstore. You can get it right now. Final thoughts. These are our dupes. Yeah, I know many people have done reviews like this, but I figured why not do it too. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Do you like my dupes? Because I like filming these. They're fun to film. But why not? Yeah, so I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.